Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Today we're out back on my 2020 Gladiator Rubicon, and we're checking out the Trail Rail cargo management system for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now, mine came installed from the factory, but you can buy it right here at cjponyparts.com and check out the full installation instructions as well as some tips that I'm going to give you here in this video. Now, I think that this is a really great system that you can get into the back of your Gladiator. It's going to help you keep that cargo tied down and not let anything fly out of the back of your Jeep. Now, this kit does come with 4 removable tie downs, which you can move all around the cargo system until you exactly have it at the place you need it. You can tie everything you want down and get it nice and secure in the bed. One of the coolest things too is most of the aftermarket racks and a lot of other pieces that you can bolt onto your Gladiator utilize this cargo trail rail management system, and they can easily be adapted to pretty much accept anything that you can think of. Now, I'm gonna hop in the bed and show you guys some of the features as well as how to move them around and get them to the correct location. So here you can see these tie downs. Now, all you have to do to move these around is loosen this little threaded knob inside here, and you can do it with your fingers. Once you have that done, you can slide them as far forward or as far back as you need. And then once you get it into your desired location, simply tighten this up by hand. It takes a little bit. It is spring loaded though too, so it's pretty cool. Once you get it nice and snugged up, I really like how far you can get it snugged up too. These aren't gonna go anywhere. And it's completely solid here. So I mean, you can really get some weight onto here and tie it down. What I like about it is it does give you almost 3 options to tie it down. You can see this is almost like the same as you would find on a dock that you would tie a boat off to. You can get a nice knot wrapped around here. And also this hole in here is open, so you can get a carabiner or a clip in there and really hold everything down. You can move all 4 of these to one side, one on each side. Pretty much however you need to do it, you can move these around. A lot of the racks and other pieces you can bolt on utilize this rail to put basically a nut stud in behind there that you can move around and get other things bolted down to. It's a pretty cool kit and really easy to install, so if you have a Gladiator, I definitely recommend checking it out. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick one and an overview of this cargo management system in the back of your Gladiator. Now, if you guys are interested in checking this out, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com, where you can check out this product as well as all sorts of other great products for your Gladiator. You can go on, check this out, check out the install instructions, and really see if this is going to be great for yours. Plus, check out all the other Mopar parts that are available. Till next time, guys, I hope to see you out on the trails, and stay safe.